so cold.
Yeah. You want to go in and watch a movie?
Yeah, I am freezing.
What's going on? What Margaret, take the curtains. Okay. God, it's just the lightning. Oh,
Just lightning.
What is lightning?
I know what lightning is.
What is it then?
Well, when there's warm air all around us, it goes up to the cold air in the clouds. Then when those two mix together, it creates static electricity and then forms a flash of light.
The most common types of lightning are fork lightning and sheet lightning.
Fork lightning and sheet lightning aren't very strong kinds of lightning.
We don't get very strong kinds of lightning here because we are too far away from the equator.
We don't get strong lightning like cloud to ground lightning here.
Lightning would usually strike trees and other big objects like them.
If there is a thunderstorm, stay inside and turn off all electric objects. Now I know all about thunder and lightning.
Yeah. What about the movie?